Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to become a passage on Roblox simple and easy way. It's a very pretty quick and easy method, so without waste your time, let's get started. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. First, open your Roblox and then click the more button and then click create. Scroll down and make sure your Roblox is public. Click this. Then click the three lines on the top left corner. Scroll down and you see the monetizations. Click the passes. And now you can see create a pass. Then click create a pass. Choose any image. You can change. I do not change. I recommend this image. Any name of this passage. Descriptions. You can add any descriptions. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also like my video and share my video.